another episode. I have Apple Maps that I'm gonna use to help with this. And the next stop on the 4-5 after Borough Hall is Bowling Green, which is in Manhattan. Right. Bowling Green. In Wall Street, I think. It's along Broadway. And the next stop is Wall Street. So what I'm gonna do is find Wall Street somewhere here. Wall Street. And this is doing this weird thing because I don't even know that it was after Wall Street. Fulton Street is up. Brooklyn Bridge City Hall. Century Street and Chambers. Brooklyn Bridge City Hall. I don't know why they're doing this. It's in the 5, 4. I have no idea why. What? I'm confused. Hold on. I think I have to do something. Fixing it. Trying to fix it. No. Yeah, I have to build Bowling Green a little later because of bugs. Or else it's gonna glitch out. Century Street and then Chambers is here, so Brooklyn Bridge City. The 4, 5, and 6. So look at the 5. Now I think it should be. Yeah, we're good. Yep. There we go. There we go. And then I think Bowling Green is like. Actually, I need to figure out where Bowling Green is. Which is along Bowling Green. Which I think it's around there. I'm just using Apple Maps to figure out. Because Apple Maps is pretty good. There's the S in there. If I do have the S. Chambers. 4, 5, 6. What's the next stop? It's along Lafayette. Canal Street and Canal Street, which is connected to this whole mess. Canal Street and then Spring Street. Where is the Springs? Spring Street. Bleecker Street. Oh, Bleecker We're NoHo. It's NoHo. Ask her place. Where is Esther place? What? It's East 9, East 8. It's around East 8. So like that's S. Boys. The next stop would be 14th Street Union Square. 14th Street Union Square. I'm not adding that transfer yet because there's still a thing called L train that needs to get added first. Straight lines. The L needs to get added first. Because I like... Okay, 28th 3rd Street and Park Avenue. 23rd Street. Then it's 28th. And then 33rd. Rose Hill. Actually, it's Midtown. It's either Midtown or Rose Hill. I have no idea. Can someone correct me in the comments? 33rd Street, which that's the right means. MTA select buses at 34th Street, M34 and M34A. Let's see, Grand Central. 42nd. Like right here. Grand Central. 42th Street. 4, 5, and 6. As well as the 7 that's chilling right there. As well as the shuttle to Grand Central. Okay, what's next? 51st Street. 51st Street. Ooh, Lexington Avenue 53rd is here. 51st. Then Lexington Avenue 59th Street, which is positioned like right under the Broadway line. Like here. Lexington. Actually, it's named 59th Street. It's just named 59th Street for the 4, 5, and 6. But it's named next Lexington and 59th. Yeah, what's the next stop? 68th Street. 68th Street. We're passing by Lexington Avenue 63rd. And 68th Street. College. One thing I wonder. Yep, I did it right. It's 61st and then 72nd. Duh. No, 77th. I think that's out. Might have been deleted. 86th Street. We're gonna transfer to the M86 select bus service. 29,000 people there. Wow, that is just crazy. 50,000. That's just crazy. Okay, 96th Street. 103rd Street. 110th Street. 116th Street, where you could transfer to the M116, which is fare free until March 30th, I think. And then the next stop is 125th Street. So since that's good. That's good for now. Alright, let's move on to the 7. Because yes, the 7 train. Grand Central isn't. We're in Boulevard, Jackson Avenue, which is Norland Boulevard, which is like right here, I think. Norland Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. Is it under G? Oh, no. What? Yeah, that's good enough. Hunter's Point, which is near. Where's Hunter's Point? Yeah, the most frustrating part of it is like trying to figure out where the hell is the stop sign? Hunter's Point Avenue. Court Square. It's 45th Street and 22. 45th. Yep. Court Square. Yep, that is so weird. It's making a knot. It's making a knot. What? Why is it making a knot? What if I... What? What? I don't know why is it making a knot. It's like making a knot. If you don't get it. See? What? What the hell? That might mean that I did something wrong. It's 49th Street Avenue. Where's 49th Avenue? Nope. No, wrong. 9th Avenue. That's Hunter's. Actually, delete that. It's over here. Hunter's. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other station. That, was it? I forgot. Which I'm a dumbass. Square. Now let's see if it's gonna be angry at me and make a no. No, not anymore. Jackson Avenue. There. Actually, now second thought, that is not Round Boulevard. Actually, it's like down here. Round Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. So basically it dips down and it starts dipping back up, which is really strange in my opinion. It's really strange in my opinion. Okay, Court Square, Queensboro Plaza. That's at 27th Street. 27th Street and what's called, yeah, around here. Queensboro Plaza. I don't know why is it so big. 33rd Street, Rawson. Damn streets. Let's see, 40th Street. Confusing. 40th Street. Lowry Street. 33 streets. I'm thinking of somehow making that some move up, but too lazy. 46th Street. 46 streets. This street. Okay, so this is a confusing thing. Roosevelt Avenue at 52nd Street. There's these two streets. Lincoln. We conquered Queens now. Now we conquered Queens, basically. I think the next stop on this is Woodside 61st. And Woodside 69th Street. Where's 69? Here we go. 69th Street, which is a weird. That's a weird number. Roosevelt. Here we go. 74th Street. Broadway. Because it's a pretty broad way. Okay, I don't know why I'm making those jokes. Those are unfunny. Okay, 82nd Street. 82nd Street, Jackson Heights. '90th Street. 90th Street. Elmhurst Avenue. Junction Boulevard. Where is Junction? I think they're still going along Roosevelt. Let me make sure. Yep, they're still going Roosevelt. So Junction Boulevard. 103rd Street, Corona Plaza. Corona Green Streets. There's 111th Street. Now, it's time for the Mets Willets Point. You can transfer to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport. Okay, so I think it's a safer way. I don't even know. I don't know. It's still goes along those. Yeah, right smack in the middle is here, so that's Willets. Done. The only time people use it is like when they're flushing Main Street. Okay, now that's the 7th finished. Now, what's next? Of course, the NQRW says that they want to be extended because they're kind of trapped here. Now, 5th Avenue, 39th Street. Now, they want to be at Lexington Avenue. Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. There, now they want to go. There. Our train is now ready for Queens. But it's not that ready yet because I still need to find it. Okay, so now time for the Wait, did I add the W? No. Okay, W is added. But first, before anything, let's do the W trains. And they go up Broadway, I think. Not Broadway. 31st Street. They go up 31st Street. And first one, there we go. 39th Avenue. Dutch Kills. 39th Avenue, Dutch Kills, 36th Street. 36th Avenue. Let's check for that. Broadway. Where's the Broadway? Broadway. 30th Avenue. They also revetted most of the stations here. So where? Yeah, apparently it's like here because Astoria. And then we just gotta go all the way up to Astoria Detmers Boulevard. Time to go up to Detmers Boulevard. The train is like right there. Astoria Detmers Boulevard. Okay, some more routes has been finished. The routes are finished. We don't need to know about them. Yeah, I gotta fix that traffic desert. Whoopsie daisies, I forgot to fix that. So time to make the A and C to Euclid. We're gonna go all the way to Euclid so that we could actually get another shuttle. It's Lafayette and Photon, which is like right there. Lafayette Ave. Actually, not straight, that's Ave. You know. It's Lafayette Avenue. Yesterday there was like several flying Clinton, Washington Avenue. Where's this? Clinton, Washington Avenues. Franklin Avenue. We're in Bedford-Stuyvesant. Nostrand Avenue. Now since this is a local train, Kingston Troop Avenues. Utica Avenue is next, which is right here. Utica Avenue. I got confused when it says Malcolm X Boulevard until I realized that. We're only going up to Euclid because reasons. Avenue. Rockaway Avenue. Broadway Junction, which is oddly positioned into the middle of this, I guess. Broadway Junction. A&C trains. Now it goes on. Pennsylvania. Yeah, it doesn't know what avenue this is. Vermont? No, where's New Jersey? Wait, what? Which way is New Jersey? Where's New Jersey Avenue? Oh, right there. That's the left. Yep, that is now Liberty Avenue. I got confused. Now we're going on Long Picket. Now to Van Cyclin Avenue. Van Cyclin. You. Shuttle. Euclid Avenue. What the hell is Euclid? I'm confused. Euclid. Crescent. Line. Euclid. Actually, it's the A that needs to be first. Then Euclid Avenue. The C train joins. Okay, I'll end there. That, and then now, time to add another shuttle. Why? Oh yeah, because there's another one. Huh. Now where is Franklin? It's a little bit under, which is Franklin Avenue. Time to make the Franklin Avenue shuttle. St. Mark's, Prospect Place. Bet this is Park Place. Yep. Park Place. Park Place. Yes, since it's a pretty short shuttle. Then what's next? Botanic Garden. I realized there was something. It's not actually going. It goes besides Franklin. It actually goes in a little section over here. Did you see this? That's why Then what's the next stop? And then the last stop is Prospect. First let's connect it. Then make it go to Prospect. And another route complete. There's like 3 shuttles. I might just have a 4th one because reasons, which I'm gonna explain later. So what's next? the E and that. Gotta get us there too. Okay. Fifth Avenue, Since that is next stop is in 54th Drive. 44th Drive in 23rd Street. Yep, it's Court Square again. The M trains. Next spot is Coden's Plaza, which is along Queens Plaza, which is along Jackson Avenue. Okay, Queens Plaza. There we go, so since now the R is joined up, the F is gonna join up soon. Next stop is 36th Street. On Northern. 36th Street. I think it's Northern Boulevard. Let me see. Yes, I'm using it. Yep, it's Northern Boulevard. It's on Steinway. Streets. Next one is Steinway. Yeah. 34th. Where's Steinway? Then where's 34th? It's a dime. We're going along Broadway. 46th Street. It's Northern Boulevard. Fifth Street. In Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. E, F. Then the M train. Or train that needs to get added to more 65th Street. Now it's going along Broadway still. Going along Broadway still. And yes, Elmhurst. What's Elmhurst Avenue? Elmhurst. Where is the Elmhurst? Actually, it's weird. What? Oh, apparently this is Elmhurst Avenue. I don't understand the logic. How's that Elmhurst Avenue? I guess I don't give a shit. Queens Boulevard and Grand Avenue. Where is Queens Boulevard and Grand Avenue? Actually, once again, Grand Avenue. There, now 6. Now we find Woodhaven Boulevard, which is basically Queens Cinema. 60th Drive, Regal. The 67th Avenue. The 71st Avenue. Now see my miss. There we go. Now Queens Boulevard is here. Now the Bronx is now lonely. But first, Broadway over here. We gotta handle this with the one. Because it's not even at 125th Street yet. Let's fix that. If I go making it go to 125th Street. 66th Street, Lincoln Center. 72nd Street. 72nd Street. We're the 1, 2, 3. So off here. 79th Street, where you could transfer to the M79 Select Bus Service. And the 86th Street, where you could transfer to the M86 Select Bus Service. I remember that service change that there was like no service along the 7th Avenue line. Because they were replacing the switches at 96th Street. Oh yeah, since they turn. This doesn't. Let's fix it. What's even named? An MTA? Yeah, Cafeteria Parkway. One reason why I like Apple Maps is that they actually do their homework. Like yesterday, it doesn't actually give you a route that G trains are not running. So it basically doesn't give you a G train route when there's like no G trains. Which is actually pretty good. Unlike Google Maps, that doesn't do their homework. Yep, I'm only stopping at 125th to fix the fact that it's not even at 125th yet. Okay, now the 2 train. 2 and 3. Next stop is at Central Park North at 110th Street. Is it Adam Clayton, whatever this is called? Let me just... It's at Malcolm X. Transit. That's Central Park North, which is 110th Street. Next stop is on 16th Street. I'm not trying to read them. Now I need to do the 3 train. Well, let's finish the 3. Let's finish the 3 real quick. Because the 3 train deserves to be finished right now. But it's not. 145th Street. And then the last stop is at 148th Street and Adam C. Poba. 148th Street. Lennox Turn. There we go. Now most routes are finished. Let me do something called start extending the B at D train to Yankee. Actually, the 4 train needs to be at Yankees. So guess what? 138th Street Grand Concourse. Concourse. Now to 149th Street Grand Concourse. The 5 is lonely. No, now we're not lonely. 4 train. Next stop on 4 is 161st Street Yankee Stadium. And it's along. That's not along Grand Concourse. That's along Jerome. Or River, whatever. 161st Street Yankee Stadium. Now we're ready for the next route. The B train. So it's, according to that, it's at 8th Bradhurst. Right here, so 155th Street. Then it's 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. 167th Street. And this is now going on Grand Concourse. Yes, there we go. And then 170th Street. 174 to 175. Okay, I've just put it in like here because 174 to Tremont Avenue 180. Second to 180. Fordham Road. Then we're on Fordham Road. Kingsbridge Road. Actually, I passed it. And Bedford Park. No more people, and have a one-seat ride. And then now it's time to finish off the D train by extending it to 205th Street, which is at 200 Perry. There we go. Now the B and D trains. Time to finish the 4 train, which goes along Jerome Avenue. Which, first before that, it's still on River. Now, Eden. And just 76th Street. I'm gonna assume that is actually easier to sort of Burnside Avenue. Burnside. Oh, here. Burnside Avenue. After 83rd Street. So now what's next? It's Fordham Road. Kingsbridge Road. Bedford Park Boulevard. Shuttle Parkway. Shuttle Parkway. Woodlawn, which is here. Woodlawn. There we go. Now more lines are finished. Now it's just they have to go over there, which will be in the next time. It's so good, because I don't really have enough time. So let's just say goodbye.